Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download MyDish application on your Android phone. To download the MyDish application on your Android device is a super easy process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open your Google Play Store and in the search box type in MyDish. Look for this application in the search result, and if the application is available on your country, you will be able to see the install button on the page. If you see this kind of an interface where it says this item is not available in your country, it probably means that you are residing in a location where the application is not supported yet. If you see the install button, tap on the install button to download MyDish application on your Android phone. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.